Welcome to the video today, guys. Have I got a good one for you today? This video will be about my first track day with my eBay bought 520 wheel horsepower 2002 Bugeye WRX. This is the first time I took it to the track. This is my first track experience. The day started with a 150-mile drive to the track. On that drive, I did lose reverse because it did not have a reverse lockout, and I touched it into reverse on the freeway and finally burnt it out. So no reverse on the way, and I also had this weird smell of wires in the car on the drive up, and all this is kind of leading to what happened in the end of this video, which is I blew my engine. I made it all the way to the track. I did 7 good quarter-mile runs. I got faster all day, and as soon as I started getting slower, I packed it up and took it home. On the way home, I lost my headlights, I lost AC, power steering blew out. About 5 miles from my house, the engine started vibrating and I pulled over and it wouldn't start again. Ended up, I blew the engine on the ride home or sometime during the track. I don't know exactly what happened, where it broke, but that is a video for another day. That was my first track day, and that's why it's taken me so long to make this video. It's really hard when you blow up an expensive engine like this to all of a sudden say, let's make a video of how I blew up my engine. It's all back together now. Today, let's just get into my first track day and some live action. Okay, connecting my Haltech, and I'm going to my first ever drag strip with the car. Very excited. I am about an hour away from the first E85 fill up, and then I'm an hour away from the track. So let's get started and see what she does. It's starting great lately. PC logger. Okay, definitely want to record my 2-hour trip up there, and she's going. Just in case something happens, at least I'll have some data on it. So I'm at the tech check. Made it here. I lost reverse on the ride over. People are lining up to race over there. Got my helmet ready, and yeah, let's see what happens. I guess I don't have a pen and I'm supposed to fill out a card, so this is interesting. So I just got checked, basically checked to make sure I wasn't dumping antifreeze and make sure I had a helmet. That's about it. And now I'm heading to get in line, I guess. There's the line. There was a check-in back there. Losing in reverse today is a little, and I'm smelling some electrical smell I do not like, but I don't know what's going on. So I'm pulling up. First test of the drag strip. Big old line here. I think this guy's pulled over. go. I didn't want to go with them.
Oh yeah. Go on yellow.
What's that?
Go on yellow. That bottom hit, one hits yellow, take off.
Well, if he's I don't want to race next time, you know.
Why?
I don't want to get slammed.
Well, if you feel that way, yeah. But you're doing pretty good.
Thank you. Well, I did a 13.5 on my first pass. And misshifted second, and I was afraid, I was feeling those same kind of feeling trying to grind those synchroids, whatever, grind those things, and just kind of afraid to shove it in the second. Maybe she'll do a little better if I can actually shift it right. So I thought I had lost this race, but he actually jumped pretty hard and red lit. So he did cross first, but I had a faster time, and he red lit, depending on what kind of rules you want to say. So that's it for the video today, guys. I did take some GoPro video of me broken down at the gas station. Unfortunately, my camera is in time lapse, so it didn't get the audio recorded on what I was saying was going wrong with the car at the time. But this was the video I shot. So the car did break down and I pulled into a gas station and I got it towed, and basically bad news. We had metal in the oil, and it ended up spinning a bearing sometime that day. And I've since then gotten the car rebuilt, but this was my first track day experience. Bittersweet. It was really fun. The times were slower than I thought they would be, and it always hurts to break an engine. So I hope you enjoyed.